Hello, today we are going to talk about SBI Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for SBI loan. Having monthly salary less than 25,000. Applicant age should be between 18 year to 75 year for normal applicant 18 year to 45 year. Home Saver Program, 18 year to 60 year NRI. 18 year to 75 year, government employee. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 and -1 CIBIL applicant. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to no limit. Tenure will be 5 years to 30 years. Login fees will be nil. Rate of interest will be 8.50% to 10.40% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 7 days for salaried and 10 days for self-employed. Insurance and other charges will be nil. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fees will be 10,000 plus GST of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is allowed, yes, but for Home Saver product applicant age should not be more than 45 year at the time of application. Products are new home purchase plus construction loan, seller BT plus top-up, home renovation. Co-applicant is not mandatory, but for single borrower 18 year to 60 year is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 6 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of SBI Home Loan: zero processing fees for government employee, concession to women borrower, moratorium period available. Location will be Pan India. Let's talk about some negative points. There is no negative profiles. Negative properties are other than approved property. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.